Hey again, this is Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video I am going to be showing you how I make my lemon garlic dill hummus using the Instant Pot blender. I got my blender back in 2020, like the early part of 2020, and I have been using it for so many things, making soups, making dips, even crushing ice for drinks. And so I'm going to show you in this video how I make hummus, which is great for parties, a snack, just a quick thing to do. I'm going to show you how I do it right after this. The ingredients will be popping up on the screen as I talk, and I'm also going to have a list of the ingredients below in the description box because it is very important that you follow the correct order of the ingredients going into the blender because the Instant Pot blender is sensitive, which I've learned from experience. I have a video, I'll put like a card up above for the first time I made broccoli cheddar soup, and depending on like if you put a lot of the heavy ingredients on the bottom, the blade will jam up and you sometimes have to add extra liquid or start all over again, which is really annoying. So I recommend you follow the list of ingredients in order so you don't have all your chickpeas on the bottom and then you have a problem blending everything together. We are also going to take an extra step in between the ingredients and doing full-on blending to help whip this up so it's a little bit easier for the blender to work. So I'm adding in lemon zest now. Lemon zest is just for those who don't know, it's just the skin of the lemon. I use a little zester, tiny zester for it, which kind of looks like a cheese grater. I think you could probably use a cheese grater too, depending on how small it is. But I like a little lemon zest just for that extra lemon flavor. And that 15 ounce of chickpeas came from a can. Most cans are just 15 ounces of chickpeas, so it makes it perfect. So the step we're going to take in between the full blending and the adding of the ingredients is we're going to put the blender on low speed for 1 minute. This is going to help kind of mix everything together so we already have a good consistency to then put the blender on high. So as you can see, there's still like lumps and bumps in there, but everything has been blended in such a way so when we put this on high, it's not gonna jam. It's gonna go ahead and whip the hummus and you're gonna get nice, whipped, creamy, fluffy, just delicious hummus. This is our finished product, the lemon garlic dill hummus. If you're not a fan of garlic, you're not a fan of lemon, you're not a fan of dill, you can definitely adjust this recipe to your liking. With the lemon, you could take out the lemon zest. It's going to give it less of the lemon flavor. Garlic, you can just do 1 clove instead of 2. Dill, you don't have to add the dill at all if you're just a plain Jane hummus person. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button if you are into food videos, travel videos when we can travel again, and anything in between that I want to post on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!